Hey you everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. How are you doing all my dear friends? I hope that you all will be doing great or you all will be fit and fine. In today's video I'm going to talk about how to start speaking English. Lot of friends or many people, they have the same issue. They have well knowledge about English, they have completed their grammar, they have basic knowledge about English, they can easily form sentences or translate sentences, they can do all the things, but when it comes to talk with someone, at the time they are not able to talk with people or they are not able to talk with anyone. So my dear friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to start speaking. If you are a beginner, if you don't know how to speak English, then stay tuned in this video and watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you how to start speaking. Because my dear friends, initially I was also facing this problem a lot, because for learning any language we need environment, atmosphere, but if you don't have, you are not surrounded with that atmosphere, maybe it will be a little challenging for you to learn this language. But it's not very difficult or hard, you can definitely learn this language, just having few habits in your life. So in this video I'm going to talk about few habits. If you are gonna follow, then definitely those all the habits are gonna help you a lot in your life and you will be able to speak English. So my dear friends, please watch this video till the end. So let's start. My dear friends, let me tell you, habits play major role in our life to change our future, to change our entire life. If you want to change our life, first of all we have to change our habits, then definitely our habits will change our life. So if you want to learn English, then first of all you need to have some habits in your life, or you need to follow as a daily basis, then definitely these all the habits are gonna help you or make you a fluent English speaker. So what are those habits? Let me address you one by one. So the first habit is listen. Yes, listen more and more. Listening play important role to learn any language. If you want to learn any kind of language, then for that you have to listen a lot, because whenever we listen we learn, because listening helps us to gain knowledge or learn many more things. So you have to listen 15 to 20 minutes every day. And after listening, what the second habits that you need to follow in a daily basis, that is reading. Yes, my dear friends, reading will also help you a lot in order to gain knowledge, gather knowledge, or enhance your confidence or vocabs, because whenever you are reading, at that time you will notice or you will get to learn many different kind of words, sentences or phrases, many more things. So every day after listening you will read any kind of things. You are fascinated to learn storybook, you can read a storybook, or you are fascinated to learn or read newspaper, you can read newspaper, or you can read anything as according to your choice. Okay, whatever you like to read, you can read. And after reading, the second habits, that is practice of speaking. It is one of the most important part in order to learn English language. If you want to learn English, for that you have to practice, a lot, then definitely you will be able to speak this English language. But now here the question is that I don't have anyone with whom I will practice. I don't have friend circle, so how to practice? So don't worry. Initially I was also facing this problem. I was not able to talk with anyone, or because there were no any such kind of people or any my friends with whom I can talk. So it was really very difficult for me to practice this English language. So don't worry my dear friends, you can practice on your own, yes, by yourself. So how will you do that? Just take about any topic, you will take it up, okay, and you will try to discuss about that topic. You will try to speak more and more. Are you able to talk something about that topic continuously? And after that, after discussing about any topic, just go in front of the mirror, stand and have conversation. Just imagine in front of me there is my friend and I'm talking with him, and try to have all the sentences like whatever you do since morning till evening, just have conversation with on your own. Definitely this thing is gonna change your entire life, or you are gonna learn this language very soon. So my dear friends, these are the few habits. If you will follow, definitely you will get to see the major changes in yourself, or you are gonna learn this language very soon. So thanks for watching this video till the end. If you got informative, please like this video, do subscribe YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye my dear friends.